Hello, here's a colorful evol E15 laptop, and we'll just see how to upgrade our NVMe 9.2 Gen 4 SSD into it. So we just need a screwdriver for it, so you can just open all the screw from the laptop. So we have to remove all the screw from here. Then, and after that, there's a two more screw inside of that, in that part on the left side, and the one is here. So our laptop is open now, so you can see in the left side there is already Gen 3 NVMe is there, and in the right slot there is a empty space, so we will put our NVMe Gen 4 SSD there. So you have to just remove that single screw from the SSD port, and we have to put our Gen 4 SSD there and just put that screw back, and we have to put all the screw back from the back side of the laptop. Now wrap it up and check the result of our Gen 4 and Gen 3 performance by crystal disk. So let's see the result. So here's the screenshot of Gen 3 SSD, which is giving 3000 MB per second in reading and 1500 in writing. And here is the screenshot of Gen 4 SSD, which is giving almost 7000 MB per second in reading and almost 6000 in writing speed, which is really great in this price segment. So here's the screenshot of MacBook M1. You can just compare the speed of our colorful evol E15 Gen 3 SSD and MacBook Gen 3 SSD speed. So you can get it that how good this laptop in this price.